Hello, good afternoon from a sunny Lincolnshire. Short video for you today about our Swarm Commander Super Lure. This is a swarm lure from America. It's the #1 best-selling swarm lure in the States, developed by a veteran with 18 years experience. It's impregnated with a synthetic pheromone. So I'll just open it up now. This is a really nice one. It hangs in the hive and it'll be effective for about 90 days hanging in the hive. So longer than most of the pheromones. So it almost looks like a car air freshener, so you can hang it up in your hive. Close down. So it comes with this little piece of elastic. So you basically pop that through the pheromone. There you go, like that. Then hang it up either on a top bar, or I'm going to hang it on a cocktail stick in between two old frames. So we're going to put that in the hive now, and fingers crossed we'll get a swarm. Here we have the final lure I'm going to set today. This is a super lure. So I've got a cocktail stick there, so I'm just going to pop it, hanging it from a top bar of a old comb of bees. That should last for about 90 days. Put the lid back on, old crown board, and a roof. And I've set this one quite high. So this is in an apiary on the outskirts of one of our apiaries. We've got several apiaries in this area, so we're more likely to get a swarm from an apiary a little bit further away. But this is the 4th one to date, so we'll see if that brings us a swarm.